Welcome to Marina's kitchen. I'm going to make a carrot cake today, and it's a beautiful moist carrot cake. I've made it a few times. It's a favourite of mine because it keeps lovely and moist, and it's very easy to make. You just put everything in together. It's a lovely cake which I put it in a pan like this size, 26 by 20 centimetres, and it's a lovely cake. Okay, I've got 3 cups of grated carrot here, 3 cups, and I've got a cup of sugar, a caster sugar I'm going to add to that, and I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar. Just put everything in together. It's so easy to make. Just put everything in together, and I've got here 4 eggs and just my plain flour. Okay, I'm going to add my plain flour and my eggs. Now to my plain flour I'm going to add a teaspoon of bi-carb-soda. I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add that all to the flour. Okay, and just mix that all around with that plain flour. There's 2 cups of plain flour. Just mix that all up together, and I'm going to put some vanilla in my eggs. I've got 4 eggs here, 4 eggs, and I've got a cup and a half of vegetable oil. Okay, so now I'm going to add my eggs to this mixture. I put in the grated carrots and the sugar. Now I'm going to add my 4 eggs to that. Just put them all in at once. It's very easy to make, very quick and easy. Okay, so just mix that around, and now I'm going to add my flour. Just mix that all around. It's a beautiful moist carrot cake, lovely. It keeps well. You can freeze it. I can cut it in a couple of pieces if you like. Now I'm going to add my plain flour with all that baking powder and that cinnamon and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of bi-carb-soda. Just keep on adding that together like that, and add in a bit at a time your vegetable oil. There's a cup and a half of vegetable oil here, and you just keep on adding a bit at a time, and that's why it comes like a beautiful moist carrot cake. Just keep on going, the same thing. And with that brown sugar, it gives it that lovely flavour. I'm just going to add all of this together. Very easy, very quick. Just keep on mixing that out. Just put everything together. Once you've got everything measured and put on the bench, it's very quick to put together, very quick. I like to do some quick things that you can just put together. Just keep on adding your oil, the cup and a half of vegetable oil here. The 4 eggs, 3 cups of grated carrot, 2 cups of plain flour with that baking powder and that bi-carb-soda. Just keep on adding that. Beautiful. Just keep on adding your oil. A cup and a half is a cup and a half of vegetable oil. That's lovely. It's lovely and moist. There it is, beautiful and moist. And I'm going to add my half a cup of raisins and half a cup of walnut pieces. Just add that together all like that until you've got a lovely moist texture. Sometimes you might need all that oil. It mightn't take it all. Just have that lovely soft texture. That's all you want. I'll just put another bit in. Just add a bit at a time and it'll take it all in. It's just lovely and moist. And you've got the walnuts through it. It keeps very well. You can use half and freeze the other half. Okay. That's lovely. That's all. I didn't even use that oil because it was enough. Sometimes it takes a cup and a half, sometimes it doesn't. It all depends. You can just see how it's nice and moist. That's plenty. That's lovely and moist like that. That's enough. Now what I'm going to do is I greased a baking dish and I'm just going to put that all in together. This will take about 30 to 35 minutes to cook in like between 180 and 200. Just put that all in together like that. And that's a beautiful carrot cake. You've got a beautiful carrot cake there. Lovely. And it keeps very well. Just put that all in there like that. Okay. There it is. It's a beautiful carrot cake. I've got it nice and moist. You can see how it's nice and moist. And now, when that cooks, I ice it. I ice it with two cups of icing sugar, a teaspoon of butter, and a juice of a lemon. And then after, I've got a zest of an orange, and I sprinkle these little pieces of orange peel on the top. And that's what I do. I've got here 2 cups of icing sugar, a teaspoon of butter, and I get the zest of 1 orange, and then I sprinkle these little pieces of lemon skins on the top, okay? And there you've got my beautiful moist orange cake. Now what I do with this is, when it cooks, I cut it in halves and in quarter. I wrap it up in alfoil. I freeze it, whatever I want, and it freezes very well. Just take out what you want when you want it, and it's always lovely and moist. So there you go. It's very easy because it's something that you put all in together very quick. And that's my beautiful carrot cake. So I hope you'll enjoy making it. It keeps very well and it's lovely and moist, so enjoy it, okay? Have a good day. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.